Hi, this is the tutorial for the 5-petal hibiscus style flower. As you see here, you can see 5 petals on the outer layer, 5 petals on the inner layer. This is actually one of the easier paper flowers to make. You're going to start off with 5 bigs, 5 smalls, a base, and some centers. So the first thing you need to do is shape the outer layer of the petals. So the way I do it, I grab all 5 of them at the same time and I gently curve them in like this so I don't crease them. But I want sort of a wavy look to the petal shape. So I'm going to do the same thing on the outside, just gently curving it. I'm not creasing it, just curving it. Same thing on the other side. I want a curve, not a crease. All right, I'm gonna do the middle one more time to make sure I kind of have this wavy look, if you can see. And same thing with the smaller petals. The outsides go out, the inside goes in. Okay, so now they're all shaped. All I need to do, I'm going to grab petal by petal now, and I am going to put a little bit of glue right here on the bottom, just like that. And I'm going to overlap the bottom pieces like this. So now it's shaped like a petal, so when you put it down, it's going to stay up. So I'm going to do the same thing to all of the petals, both big and small. Once you're done, you're going to grab the base. This is the base. It's got 5 sides to it. So we're going to take the outer 5 petals. We're going to start with a one big one. And we are going to glue it to the base like this, right over here. So you just need a little bit of glue on the bottom, like that, and stick it right on there. That's the first one. And we're just basically going to go all the way around this and create a shell. Make sure you are spacing them out evenly. Take your time with it, but basically just space it right here. You don't want to go too close in, you don't want to go too close out. Right there. Down to the last one. Put that in there. All right, so my outer shell is done. The next part is easy because you are just gonna place these in between the outer 2 petals. You don't wanna put them like this where they're lined up on the same side, although you could, but that would look very different. Put that right there. And same thing, just keep going around. I'm down to my last petal again, and I'm just gonna stick it right in there, make sure it's all centered, and it is done. The flower part is done. Now you just need to do the insides. You take the smaller piece and you're gonna layer it right on top of the bigger piece like this. Just a little bit of glue over here. And then I'm just gonna put this in the middle to cover up the inside. And I'm gonna take this little piece and kind of find a space for it. I mean, you're the artist here, you can find a good place for it. I think right there is good. And you're all done.